If your Gmail account has been hacked or compromised, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your Gmail account step by step and then how to secure it right after recovery so you can protect it from future access. This is one of the most important things you can do if you notice suspicious emails, password changes, login alerts, or if you've been locked out completely. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the safest place to start. Once the page loads, enter your Gmail address into the field and click Next. Google will then ask you to verify that you're the owner of the account. If you remember your last known password, type it in and continue. Even if the password was changed by someone else, entering the last password you remember can still help Google confirm your identity. If that password does not work, don't worry, just click Try Another Way. This is where Google will show you different recovery methods depending on what's available on your account. You may be asked to receive a verification code to your phone, check your recovery email, or approve a Google prompt on a device where you're still signed in. Choose the option that you can access right now and follow the instructions carefully. If you receive a verification code, enter it exactly as shown. Make sure you type it correctly because even one wrong digit can stop the process. After the code is accepted, Google will usually let you create a new password. This is where you should choose a strong, unique password that you have never used before. Re-enter it to confirm and then click Save. Once your password is updated, you've taken back control of the account. But the process does not stop there. The next thing you need to do is secure the account so the attacker cannot get back in. Open myaccount.google.com/security in your browser. This is the Google security page, and it helps you review everything connected to your account. Look for the devices section and review every device that is currently signed in. If you see anything unfamiliar, tap or click it and remove the unknown device immediately. Also check for any suspicious sign-ins, recovery changes, or security settings that you did not make. If possible, update your recovery phone number and recovery email so they are correct and fully under your control. You should also turn on two-step verification if it is not already enabled, because this adds an extra layer of protection to your Gmail account. Taking a few extra minutes to secure everything now can save you a lot of trouble later. So to quickly recap, go to the recovery page, enter your Gmail address, use your last known password if you remember it, try another way if needed, complete the verification process, create a new strong password, and then review your security settings and remove unknown devices. If this video helped you recover your Gmail account, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.